all communities, the government, all stakeholders need to come together and play their role. This is not the time when we think about commerce, commercial, think about profits. We have to all join hands to see what we can do.
We will require huge amounts from the estimates that my team, together with other supporters, have done indicate that to feed a family of 4 in a household for a month, it will require about 6,000 shillings. These are for ordinary things, unga like we have said, rice, some sugar, some mafuta.